Okay, just a little update. I do want to emphasize that you definitely wear some type of respirator, heavy-duty gloves. Um, I've been putting the aircraft remover on the wheels, and I've worn the respirator, but no, I'll be honest with you, I'm high as a kite right now, and it's potent stuff. So make sure you definitely wear the respirator, because and do it in a highly ventilated area. I'm kind of doing it inside my garage, but I got the garage door open here because it says to do it in the shade. But if you can, if you do this project, take it outside. Do it under a shady tree or something like that, because it lets off some pretty nasty fumes. I'll go ahead and show you a little updated bit here. As you can see, this stuff, it's just totally bubbling up here. Now I've heard where you could take like Scotch-Brite or some kind of little scuff pad and take this stuff off, but I've also heard where people have done that. They've actually scratched the aluminum wheels and they had to re-polish them out. So what I've heard, it's best just to try to take a water hose, and spray them off. But let's see if I can find something here. Take here's, what's this? Little Ford thing here. Came off, I don't know, one of my little Mustang things, but I'll show you what the stuff does. It just totally strips that off. And yeah, even that little card even put a little tiny scratch on there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to give it a few more minutes. Then I'm going to spray it off, and then if it needs it, I'll put another coat of the aircraft remover on there. All right.